Ever feel like you're on the brink of missing out on the next big tech revolution? By the end of 2025, AI will be everywhere, powering businesses, driving innovations, and shaping careers. But here's the good news: if you master it now, you'll be at the forefront, not left behind. Stick around, and I'll show you exactly how to conquer AI in 2025 and transform your life. Welcome to the Ultimate Strategy Guide for Leveraging AI in 2025. I'm Justin with the Orange Beard, and I've dedicated my career for the last 2.5 years to exploring how AI can ethically revolutionize businesses and empower people without losing sight of our humanity. AI isn't just a buzzword, it's a powerful force that's reshaping industries from healthcare to finance to marketing and education, and it's not slowing down. In this video, we will uncover how you can harness AI for your personal and professional growth, whether you're a seasoned professional or just AI curious. These steps will help you cut through the hype and focus on real world applications that deliver tangible results. By the end, you'll be primed to adopt AI strategies that put people over profits, because what's success without a positive impact? Before we dive into the step by step plan, let's talk about what you'll need to follow along. You'll need a basic understanding of AI concepts. You don't need to be a PhD in machine learning, but knowing fundamentals like what is an AI model and what is a data set will help. You'll need access to AI tools. This could be as simple as using cloud based AI platforms like OpenAI or Google Cloud AI services. You'll need a willingness to experiment. AI is advancing rapidly, and the best way to learn is by doing, building small projects, testing out different solutions, and iterating. And you'll need an ethical mindset. Always consider the social implications of AI adoption. Remember, people over profits. Got all that? Perfect. Now let's break down the exact steps to conquer AI in 2025. First, identify your goals. AI is a tool. Define clear objectives, whether it's automating tasks, enhancing customer experiences, or discovering new revenue streams. Write down 3 areas where AI could help you or your business thrive. Choose the right AI tools. There's a flood of AI platforms out there, from no code solutions like Bubble and DataRobot to more advanced frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch. Pick what aligns with your goals and your skill level. Test at least 2 different platforms to see which interfaces and capabilities resonate with your needs. Gather and prepare quality data. Good data is the foundation of any AI project. If your data is biased or incomplete, your AI results will be flawed. Perform a data audit. Ensure you have permission to use the data ethically and that it accurately represents the population or process you aim to model. Develop or integrate AI models. Whether you're fine tuning a pre trained model or building one from scratch, make sure it aligns with your objectives and stays ethically sound. If you're new, start with pre trained AI agents like GPT models to see quick, tangible results. Then refine or train your own models as you grow. Deploy and scale responsibly. Why it matters? Implementation is where the rubber meets the road, but scaling too fast without ethical checks can lead to pitfalls like biased outcomes or privacy breaches. Start small with a pilot project. Monitor performance and user feedback rigorously. Once stable, scale up with guardrails like bias detection tools and transparency measures. Prioritize human centric outcomes. AI should serve people, not replace them. Focus on augmenting human capabilities, freeing employees from repetitive tasks, and empowering them for more creative work. Include stakeholder feedback loops and user testing at every stage to ensure your AI solutions truly benefit end users and employees. Finally, track performance and iterate. AI isn't a set it and forget it technology unless you build it that way. Continuous monitoring ensures your models remain relevant and unbiased. Use AI specific metrics like accuracy, precision, and recall, and track user satisfaction. Adjust your strategy as needed. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to leveraging AI to transform not just your bottom line, but also people's lives. Let me give you a quick example. Here's a small business owner, a grocery store retailer, integrating an AI system to handle their business. By using pre-trained language models and adding custom data sets, frequently asked questions, they can reduce response time, increase efficiencies, decrease out of stocks, all while ensuring customers feel more heard and supported. This boosted not only customer satisfaction, but also freed up employees to focus on problem solving tasks that require a personal touch. To truly excel, keep these best practices in mind. Stay curious. AI evolves fast. Make continuous learning part of your routine. Focus on transparency. Clearly communicate how your AI solutions work, especially to customers or employees affected by the output. Adopt an ethical framework. Use guidelines like AI fairness, accountability, and privacy standards from day one. And empower your team. Provide training and workshops so your entire team understands AI's potential and pitfalls. Even the best AI project's going to hit some roadblocks, so here's how to handle some common issues. Data limitations is pretty common. If your data set is small or biased, consider synthetic data generation or crowdsourcing to broaden representation. Lack of immediate return on investment is pretty common. AI's payoff often comes after iterations. Set realistic KPIs and track incremental improvements. And ethical dilemmas. Unsure if your AI usage might cause harm or bias, consult an ethics board or an external expert. It's better to pause and reevaluate than to rush a questionable product. Remember, solutions always exist, so stay patient and collaborative. Congratulations! We've covered the fundamentals of conquering AI in 2025. Everything from setting goals to choosing the right tools to deploying responsibly and staying people focused. If you've made it this far, you're already ahead of 90%. AI can be a game changer, but only if we use it wisely and ethically. So let's shape a future where technology uplifts everyone.